Hello there, Mr. Brown here, just with a little video to sign off the year. I just wanted to say it's been a strange year for all of us, weird and wonderful in so many ways, and it's a year that we never anticipated having, any of us, I think. And I've spoken to a lot of children today about endings and beginnings, and how sometimes new beginnings can seem scary or make us feel nervous or anxious, but actually new beginnings can be a time of excitement as well. And we've tried to help the children feel really positive coming out of this time of COVID and time away from friends and family, and to look forward positively to the autumn, to a time where it's a fresh start and a new beginning. And that's the way that we're looking at it here. And I know some of you might be feeling anxious about starting the new year. Maybe you're not sure about start times and finish times and how that's going to work. What I would say to you is try not to worry. We'll be as flexible as we can be, and we'll work with you to figure out anything that you need to figure out. The office will be closed over the summer, but there will be people in occasionally working behind the scenes to make sure that we're ready to start the new year. But if on the first day you're not sure of the exact time to arrive, don't worry about that. Ring us in the morning and we'll help you. It'll be fine. I'd like to leave you with an ancient Celtic prayer, an Irish blessing that I think sums up what I want to say to you at this time. So it goes like this. May the road rise to meet you. May the wind be always at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face, and the rain fall soft upon your fields. And until we meet again, may God hold you in the palm of his hand. Have a lovely summer. Have some rest and have some fun. Thank you.